Welcome to another episode of Pistons of Fury. In this episode, we finished up the DIY quarter panel patch on my 1966 Dodge station wagon. And here we are again in the garage working on some rust. This is only the third episode on this, and I feel like it's already like the 48th episode. But gotta keep going, so I'm just gonna jump right into it this episode, not a whole lot of talking. We've got this little guy to fix back here, so we have to create a patch panel for that. I'm gonna try to get to under the wheelhouse, and then I'm also going to come here and try to uncover and see what's going on with that little piece. Hopefully it's nothing too big. So yeah, if I can get through some of that in this episode, I'll be in pretty good shape. And then after that, we got to move to the tailgate, and that's a whole separate disaster, which maybe I'll show you this episode, maybe not. Might save it for the next episode. Anyway, I'm gonna get cracking on this stuff and try to make some progress here. So as you probably saw before my camera battery died and probably cut off the last little bit of that, quarter panel patch is done. So, I mean, here it is. This line's all good. We did that before. This part here in the back is kind of patched up. I still have some more grinding or sanding to do back there, but structurally it's all good. No more rust. And then, like, here's that front edge. And then, as you probably saw, what I ended up doing here was just taking this pair of flat vice grips that I have and just gradually bending this up and under and attaching it to the bottom rail of the inner quarter panel. So it actually worked pretty well. I was happy about that. And then I just did some spot welds through the first layer of metal and into the second. I may go back through there and stitch that up. I'm not sure yet, but it'll eventually get some seam sealer in there so there won't be any moisture issues. But yeah, that is, I think that's where I am going to call it for this episode. Third episode in a row where I'm working on the same project. I know it doesn't make for the best content, but that's kind of what it is. So it's cool. I'm glad I finally got this done. I'm very happy with how it came out, so I just have to put some body filler over it. But I will probably do this inner quarter wheelhouse next, and then tackle that little thing right by the back door before I move to the other side. So that'll be the next episode. But yeah, it's just, you know, this, man, it's not motivating at all for me to come out in the garage and do this, work on the same thing for like 3 days or 3 weeks straight. Yeah, I definitely had to pull some late nights this week with kids and work and all that. So I don't know, it is what it is, but you know, thanks to YouTube, I have some motivation. No, I got to post something for you guys. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you have any questions or anything, comments, things I could have done differently, I'd love to hear about it. But yeah, other than that, I will see you guys next week.